everyone, and welcome back. Tonight is night 15 of our Play-Doh Advent Calendar. Last night we started on our new sheet and we did presents. So let's open it up. See if we ever find that snowman's arm. Whoops. Presents are mildly special. Anyway, we're moving on to the third row, first door. There's something really stuffed in here.
Play-Doh, I bet.
A Christmas tree. I don't think this goes.
A Christmas tree? Is there instructions?
No. Huh. Okay. So it's like clear. And it's got these little dots. So I'm assuming we need some different colors, which I'm doing a splendid job at finding.
There's no Christmas tree on the first page, right?
I don't believe there was. I will double check, but I don't think there was. Well, I can't use green. Okay.
You gonna double check?
No, I don't see a Christmas tree. There are Christmas trees, but none like that. There is a Christmas tree on here, but...
Yeah, I guess that's where you put it.
It's...
way too big for that, but...
huge.
That's where it goes, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, not green yet. We need colors first. These Play-Doh containers are so hard to open. Okay. Whoops. And now we need a yellow. So far, I really like this one, that it's easier to add in your colors of Play-Doh without like super mixing them, you know. I was that child that would get mad at people for mixing the Play-Doh. Okay, so we got our ornaments on there. Now, let's make the tree part. Struggling. I got most of it out. Oh, I think some of the little ornaments moved because I saw the red in a place the red was not supposed to go.
Well, it's a Christmas tree, so that's good. Branches do move.
They do.
Especially when you're in an RV and forget to take down the tree, they really move.
Yeah. Okay. Extra piece.
Does it come out today? No, it does not.
Okay. So not bad. I think the ornament part did turn out okay. I didn't give it a stump. So I'm doing this.
You need a stump? The stencil didn't come with a stump?
It did come with a stump. I just didn't grab the brown Play-Doh. Okay. There we go. We got our Christmas tree. I actually really, really like this one. I think it's so cute that you can put in the different colors. And I like that it used various colors in a cute way. So that is night 15. Pretty darn good if you ask me. Hope you all will come back and see us tomorrow night to see what we got on night 16. Good night, everyone.